Starting around the 28th of May 2023, Staratlas DAO essentially is exchanging at 16 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.42% in every practical cent. Most recent 60 minutes, or so they really thought, Polies in every practical sense, has an all-out market cap of $23,905,639 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $158,729. Kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. This truly makes Staratlas DAO genuinely positioning at 561 in the cryptographic money market, or so they most certainly thought. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Staratlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Staratlas DAO explicitly be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought? Is Staratlas DAO a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Poli's value sort of outperform its unequaled high, which by and large is genuinely huge? These generally are our Staratlas DAO cost expectations for Poli's future, which sort of is genuinely critical. Staratlas DAO outline. Staratlas DAO value expectation 2023 as per the Staratlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Poli's cost generally is supposed to basically cross a kind of normal value level of 19 cents. The normal pretty least value worth of Staratlas DAO toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to really be 18 cents, which for the most part is very critical. Besides, Poli's can essentially arrive at a greatest value level of 21 cents. Staratlas DAO value expectation May 2023. The cost of Staratlas DAO truly is especially anticipated to truly reach at a for the most part least worth of 14 cents in May 2023. The Poli's cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 16 cents with the really normal exchanging worth of 15 cents all through 2023. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. Staratlas DAO value expectation June 2023. The cost for Staratlas DAO in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 16 cents, exhibiting how on the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Staratlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Staratlas DAO sort of be genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner, while the typical exchanging cost ought to sort of be around 16 cents. Showing how Staratlas DAO outlines. Staratlas DAO value expectation 2023 as per the Staratlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Poli's value sort of is supposed to generally cross a fundamentally normal value level of 19 cents. The normal by and large least value worth of Staratlas DAO toward the finish of the very current year ought to for the most part be 18 cents, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Staratlas DAO value gauge July 2023. The Staratlas DAO cost for July 2023 may in every way that really matters arrive at an exceptionally least worth of 16 cents while the sort of greatest estimated cost explicitly is around 17 cents, which most certainly is very huge. The in every practical sense. Normal cost for Poli's truly is generally anticipated to for the most part reach 16 cents in July 2023, which sort of is very critical. Poli's value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Staratlas DAO fundamentally is gauged to generally be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of 16 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. The Staratlas DAO value worth can by and large arrive at a very limit of 18 cents with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 17 cents in USD. Staratlas DAO value conjecture September 2023. The Staratlas DAO cost for September 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely least worth of 16 cents while the very greatest estimated cost explicitly is around 18 cents, or so they especially thought. The truly normal cost for Poli's truly is in every way that really matters, anticipated to all things considered, reach 17 cents in September 2023 in a sort of significant way. Staratlas DAO value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Staratlas DAO value sort of is gauged to explicitly arrive at a scarcely the least cost of 17 cents, showing how besides Poli's can explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme value level of 21 cents, which certainly is very critical. The Poli's cost could truly arrive at a greatest cost of 19 cents with the truly normal expected cost around 18 cents, which generally demonstrates the way that the Poli's cost could really arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of 19 cents with the by and large normal expected cost around 18 cents in an unpretentious manner. Staratlas DAO value figure November 2023. The Staratlas DAO cost for November 2023 may basically arrive at a very least worth of 18 cents while the genuinely greatest gauge cost explicitly is around 20 cents, which sort of is very critical. The by and large normal cost for Poli's fundamentally is generally anticipated to reach 18 cents in November 2023. Staratlas DAO Value Conjecture December 2023. The Staratlas DAO cost for December 2023 may arrive at an in every way that really matters. Least worth of 18 cents, while the greatest determined cost certainly is around 21 cents in an unobtrusive manner. A genuinely normal cost for Polies fundamentally is most certainly anticipated to sort of reach 19 cents in December 2023, showing how Staratlas DAO value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Staratlas DAO value sort of is figured to really arrive at an in every practical sense least cost of 17 cents, showing how besides Polies can by and large arrive at a greatest value level of 21 cents. Or so they explicitly thought. Staratlas DAO truly passed value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been explicitly diminished by 0.01% in its especially current worth, showing how besides Polies can basically arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 21 cents in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we analyze the really current market cap of the Polies with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap for the most part is additionally down, or so they fundamentally thought. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Polies certainly was in most certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.7%, which in a real sense is very critical. Staratlas DAO in a real sense has shown areas of strength for fundamentally of potential recently, and this could be by and large great chance to essentially dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how Staratlas DAO basically has shown exceptionally kind of solid extremely potential of late. And this could be in every way that really matters. Great chance to dive right in and truly put resources into an unpretentious way generally. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Polies really diminished by 38.245%, disposing of an incredible sort of typical amount of 9 cents from its ongoing worth, which basically is very critical. This unexpected down really implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be an essentially decent by and large purchase and open door for speedy speculation, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Staratlas DAO Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will be Staratlas DAO in every practical sense? Worth in 2023, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Polies cost generally is gauged to explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 21 cents with extremely least cost of 18 cents toward the finish of 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Staratlas DAO generally have a future, which certainly is genuinely critical. As far as value, Staratlas DAO truly has an extraordinary truly potential to arrive at new levels. So sort of is Staratlas DAO a by and large wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is very huge. It truly is estimate that Polies will increment in esteem. So inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Polies in a real sense diminished by 38.245%, killing an incredible sort of normal amount of 9 cents from its truly current worth, or so they really thought, as per especially unambiguous specialists and business experts. Staratlas DAO can explicitly raise a ruckus around town of the most exorbitant cost of 4 cents till 2030. So besides Polies can basically arrive at a greatest value level of 21 cents in every way that really matters, enormous way. Is Staratlas DAO worth purchasing in 2020?